Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Johnny's restaurant. I'm Johnny. Do you like Lion-King? I'm so much love Lion-King there. Because when I was a childhood I saw Lion-King, then I'm falling in love with that. And today's menu is Lion-King. What? What is the menu is Lion-King? I'll let you know soon. Let's go together to make it. Can you see here? Those are our ingredients here. 3-piece teeny tiny cottage shrimp and half avocado and steamed crab meat and 2-piece crumbed coating prawn and 100 cc olive oil and 1.5 pour steamed rice. Homemade sushi seasoning, Sriracha spice sauce, golden mayonnaise, soy sauce, and spicy mayonnaise, and extra sweet chili sauce, chili oil. That's it. Now I'm going to deep fry the prawn and put in the oil at the fry pan. Okay, put in the oil, put inside, make sure. Oh, can you see the temperature? No. Deep fried prawn is done. Now we will make a sushi rice. Let's see. Okay, bring the hot steamed rice and homemade sushi seasoning. 3 spoons. And mix well. Take a hard 2 spoons. You can use the hand. And you see, seasoning a spoon. That's done. And sushi rice is done. Now we check out another ingredient and we have to make the crab salad. Stripped, crushed, all crab here. Top cut. And spicy mayo. Mix well. That's it. Carne salad is done. Now we need to make a sushi roll. So bring the seaweed paper. Okay. Okay, first bring the sushi mat like this one and wrap. You should cover with a wrap like that. And bring the seaweed paper. Here we go. We need to cut this size. Half. Depend on you. To paste the top one off. and scrub with the mayo and very well. And grab the sushi rice and put here, scrub. Okay. Upside down. Bring deep fried prawns. And rolling. Make a short line. See that? Can you see? Beautiful one. And just keep here. And bring avocado. I need a half. Sure. Slice. Teeny tiny. Okay. Bring teeny tiny shrimp like this, and like this here. Bring the roll. Put here. Here. Like this side. Here, and usually I use no cover up with the mat, but if you don't have that mat, you can use that one. I'll let you know. Okay, usually I needed to use no cover with wrap because berry make it quickly, but what I don't want by the tomato, so you can use the cover with wrap. I show that. Bring the kitchen towel on top, sushi and mat. Never stick each other. See there? Almost done. Bring the yours dishy for 라이온킹. And I will cut now. Middle. Here we go. And cut start. Okay, done. Take off. And bring the sushi. And the curry salad on top. That's it, and last step. Need sauce. Okay, almost done. But you have to bring the dipping sauce. You can choose anything. Usually Japanese restaurant they bring the soy sauce with the wasabi. No way, you can choose more than chili oil and sweet chili oil. Or another mayonnaise also. Like this. Don't forget your favorite. Okay, almost done. I bring the mayonnaise. More creamy and a little more spice. Depend on you. And sweet soy sauce. That's it. Look at that, beautiful, right? Okay, look at this, beautiful. Everything's done. Do you know why I call the Laionking this? The crab salad looks like a crab salad like same as a Laionking's hair. Can you imagine that? Yeah, and also you can change the ingredient if you want the meat or something. I believe your favorite. And I try this now. Cut one. Salad. Wow, beautiful. But so spicy. Be careful next time when you try the your home with this one. Thank you so much, guys. Today's Laionking menu is done. And don't forget, please push the like button and please subscribe button also. Don't forget that. Thank you. See you later.